So it's with a bit of a heavy heart today. Not that we're not doing anything anymore. We've changed track. I've tried so hard to try and find a chassis and get repairs going on the old J6. Unfortunately, it's just not viable. It's really it's beyond reproach. It's just not working. It's just not going to happen. There's so much more I've got to do than I realised, and I've put my foot in it. I've been given an opportunity from Noel, a guy who buys, wrecks, resells Bedford parts, and he offered me an opportunity to upgrade and take mine in lieu. So this is what I've got. It's a J6, heavily rusted, a great engine, great gearbox. The diff is fine. It drives. It doesn't stop because it doesn't have any brakes because I broke one of the lines. The inside, look, I thought it was repairable. I thought it was going to be fine. It's just not something that I can continue with the time frame I have. I'm swapping it out, you might say, like changing it over to a different truck. It's a J5, still got a 5-speed box, still got a 300 petrol motor. It's a tipper, and the tipper works. It's a 64 model. I'm still looking for a crank handle. I know they are easily made, but I just don't know what sizes because I can't see where it's supposed to locate. So if anyone's got one, let me know. So yeah, the Richie's Garage is going ahead, just not with this truck. I know it's going to be probably dismantled. The chassis is no good. The running gear is all fine. So there's just no point in trying to swap all this stuff over and then do the cab and then do this. When I can get it one that's like 3 years younger, in a lot better conditions, but always garage, starts, runs, beautiful, tipper works. Yeah, so that's where we're going to be going from now on. If anybody's disappointed, no more disappointed than I am. We have to do this, or I have to do this. I was trying to keep a legend alive. It was a great idea, but it's just not any good anymore. So thanks anyway. Thanks everyone. I'll be posting a lot more. I'll be going through all the running-ins and the functions of the new truck. It's a bit different configuration, obviously. It's got the PDO and that coming up through the floor. I might have to try and find a way to improve that. And the tray's great. So yeah, we're upgrading. Thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping in touch. And I'm always trying to post to keep people informed. And if that helps and you need any more information, go to my YouTube channel. I've got plenty of parts and pieces there where I've taken bits off this and adapted, changed. It was an experience to start, but this is not the truck I'm going to finish with. So thanks everyone anyway, and Richie's Garage out. See you out there, Restoraholics.
Huh?
We're not getting the gate.